Hello. Okay, so the purpose of this video is to present you with a code that the UTeach curriculum gave me. And what you have to do is you have to find and fix the error. Before I do that, I just wanted to just revisit, just make sure you guys were on the same page. I want to show you guys how to make a list if you guys forgot how to do that. So you got to go to variables here. So as you scroll down and you go to variables, so this orange one is variables, you got to press this option that says make a list. Okay, so make a list. We're going to call that list called players. Okay, and now what we're going to do is we're going to add some things here. So what I see as well, if the list of players will contain some sort of answer, something will happen, and then I'm going to add this part, and this part is going to be on top, and it's going to be something like this. Okay, so this is what the UTeach curriculum gave, and what you have to do is you have to fix the error. Okay, so let's try to run it just to see what's even happening with this code. Okay, so let's say I run it. Okay, so what's your name? Let's say we just put Seja or something. Okay, so it says, thanks for joining us, Seja. Okay, so let's try to trace that, see what happened. So let's actually just take out some of these pieces here. Let's so that's what this is doing, if that makes sense. So it says, what's your name? And it says, well, if the list called players contains Seja, then in this case here, if this was in here, then it should say welcome back Seja. In this case, Seja wasn't a part of the list to begin with, so then it's going to come down here and it's going to add Seja to the list of players, and then it says thanks for joining us, Seja. Okay, so supposedly, let's say we were to bring this back in. So if we bring this back in, and then we try to run it again, and let's say we try type in Seja again. Okay, what's your name? And we put Seja. Then it says welcome back, Seja. Okay, let's try another one just for fun. Let's try another name. Let's see. I'm going to choose Bryson. Okay, so what's your name? We just say Bryson. Okay, so what it says here, well, if the list contains Bryson, then the cat is going to say, well, welcome back, Bryson. Is Bryson in this list? In this case, no. So he's not in this list. So it's going to come down to the else statement. So it's going to add Bryson's name to the players list. So let's try that. There we go. So it says, thanks for joining us, Bryson. Okay. We could do this all over and over again. We could try different names. We could try Ryan, right? It says, thanks for joining us, Ryan. We could even try another one. We could try Chantel. Okay. Thanks for joining us, Chantel. Okay. And of course, what the program does is, well, if the players list contains the name already, then it's going to say welcome back, and so forth. So Seja, it's welcome back, Seja. If I try it for Bryson, it says welcome back, Bryson. Or all of these, let's say Chantal. Welcome back, Chantal. Okay. Now, this part here. So this means, well, what would happen if we type in exit? Let's try to type in exit. So it says, what's your name? This is exit. Thanks for joining us, exit. I don't think your name is exit. Okay, so as you can see here, so it's adding the name exit to the list. So that's a little weird, right? I don't think your name is exit. Okay, so that, if you're wondering, so I mentioned earlier, was the UTeach curriculum basically said you're trying to look for the error in that particular list. So, I mean, in this particular program, I'm sorry. So that is the error, if you're wondering. Okay. So one way that you can fix this to make it run the way that you expect, because what you see here is it comes down here, it's adding the name called exit to the players list. So I'm guessing what you want to do, right, is you want to just exit the code entirely. So what the UTeach program, the solution says is that you could actually bring this all the way up here, and that should fix it. Let's go ahead and just delete some of everything in. So in order to delete everything in the list, I can delete this. I can just press this, delete all of players. Boom, right there. Okay, so let's try it to see if it works. Okay, so this is what's your name. Let's just try exit. And then this is I don't think your name is exit. This script means it just stops the script entirely. That can actually be found in the control. This down here, this stop this script. That's how you can get to that. But it just stops the program entirely from running. But of course, if we try it again, so it says, yeah, what's your name? Let's try, yeah, we'll put Seja. It's going to skip this, and then it's just going to go down here. Okay, so it says, thanks for joining us, Seja. And then we can run it again. Let's try someone else. We'll try Brandon. Okay, thanks for joining us, Brandon. And then if we were to try and press the green flag again, and then let's say we try to put exit, this time it's not going to say thanks for joining us, exit, and then do that again. It should, because now the piece of code is on top, it's going to say, I don't think your name is exit. Yeah. So that is how, that it would be the particular error in that program. All you have to do is just bring that piece of code to the top. Okay. Please let me know if you have any questions on this. Okay. Bye.